Good morning and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices rose as traders turned to the safe haven asset amid ongoing tariff uncertainty ahead of US President Donald Trump's deadline to end negotiations. US gold futures settled 0.1 lower. US stocks closed lower as early gains faded following the latest round of corporate earnings and economic data, as investors awaited results from megacaps Amazon and Apple. Tether disclosed another strong quarter as stablecoins continue to gain traction amid growing regulatory clarity in the United States. The company said it posted $4.9 billion in profit for the second quarter of 2025, a 277% increase compared with the same period a year ago.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.